Hello, dear seller. Welcome to Flowwow, a global gifting marketplace. We connect local brands with customers across more than 30 countries worldwide. We're so happy to see you with us. Now that you have signed up, uploaded your first items, and passed moderation, you're just one step away from selling on Flowwow. In this video, we are going to talk about all things orders, how to accept and manage them, where to find the order information, and all other tips that will help you thrive with us. Step 1. You receive a notification. There are 3 ways how you will receive notifications about new orders: push notifications in the Flowwow Seller app, email, automatic calls. All your new orders will be highlighted in red in the orders list. Hard to miss for your convenience. To check what exactly has come your way, click on the order. You'll see all the key details: composition, photo of items ordered, and a charge breakdown. Step 2. Right timing. The crucial bit is to stay connected during your working hours to avoid missing an order. You'll have 90 minutes to accept the order. We would encourage you to act quickly before the customer changes their mind. If you don't accept a new order within 15 minutes, you will get a call from a bot or a Flowwow employee to give you a little nudge. Finally, don't worry about orders coming in outside your working hours. The countdown to accept them will start as soon as you open your shop the next day. For example, if you received an order at 1 a.m. and your shop opens at 9 a.m., the cutoff time for you to accept the order will be 10:30 a.m. What happens once the order is accepted? Step 3. Assigning an employee. Once you've accepted your new order, assign it to your employee, who will take over the fulfillment by clicking the Assign Employee button. Bear in mind, all new orders are open only to directors and managers. Shop assistants will only see the orders they are assigned to. Also, you'll have the order chat available with your customer by clicking on the Chat button. You can find this chat here. The customer may message you too with their questions, and respond them promptly so the customer is sure and happy about their order. Step 4. Photo before delivery. Once you've finished assembling the order, your next step is to upload a photo of the final product before delivery for your customer to review and rate. Please give your customer 10 to 15 minutes to review the photo before actually sending the order away. If you don't hear anything from them or they give the product a thumbs down, we recommend going to the order chat to discuss the matter. It's a unique Flowwow feature we provide our customers with. It's a win-win. The customer gets exactly what they want, and you get a positive review of your service. To add a photo, just click on the Upload Photo button and upload photos right from your gallery or camera. Step 5. Ready to deliver. Once the photo is uploaded, the order status will automatically change to Ready for Delivery, and the customer will get a notification prompting them to review your assembled creation. Then, the order is ready for delivery. The order status changes to Courier on the way as you select the I will deliver myself option to deliver the order. Step 6. Complete the order. As soon as your product arrives in its recipient's hands, the order status changes to completed. A word of advice: make sure the product actually reaches the recipient before completing the order. If you're personally delivering the order, complete it once you hand it over to the recipient. If an in-house courier is delivering the product, they will need to change the status in the mobile app. Tip: we genuinely recommend staying on top of status changing game. Informed customers are happy customers who are more likely to return and make another purchase with you. We understand that monitoring new orders and your workload realistically can be tough. If you need a break, you can temporarily hide your shop for hours or days. To learn more about the feature, follow the link in the description. On a side note, if you received an order without an address, don't worry. We've prepared a detailed article about delivering without an address. Link in the description. A final word of advice. About accepting orders. Be sure to change the final status of your order to order completed. It is the step separating you from the well-deserved credit. You can learn more about managing orders with Flowwow in the article. Link in the description. If you still have any questions, please don't be shy to contact us in the support chat. We're always happy to help. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for more Flowwow tips. Let's thrive together!